Double, double toil and trouble. Romance is dead, so let's double the bubbles! Welcome back to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. I am your host, the Culinary Recipe Witch, and today we are tackling the most dangerous, unstable, high-stakes cuisine in existence. Love potion foods! Are you lonely? Is your crush ignoring your texts? Fear not! Today we are brewing up lover spell spaghetti and passion potion garlic bread, guaranteed to make anyone fall head over heels, or at least ask for seconds. Step 1, the base. We start with crushed tomatoes, red like the beating heart of your future lover. Now for the enchantment, 3 whole heads of roasted garlic. Why 3? Because love smells like garlic, and if they don't love your garlic breath, they aren't the one. Next, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes for spice, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and tears of an ex. It's just sea salt. Don't tell the dark lord. Stir counterclockwise 3 times while thinking of your crush. 1, 2, 3. While our sauce simmers, we create the vessel of attraction. Passion garlic bread! Look at this gorgeous, romantic crimson glow! Now we coat it in mozzarella cheese, shredded under the light of a full moon. Into the oven at 400 degrees, or as I call it, the infernal broiler of eternal affection. Behold, a feast so intoxicating. Cupid himself is filing a copyright claim. It worked! I am currently in love with myself! The potion is too powerful! Try this at home, my dear ghouls and goblins, and watch your love life transform. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible, magical recipes right here on the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Hit that notification bell. Drop a comment with your favorite witchy dish. And remember, if you can't make your own love